Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Cleanup Woman. The song is Cleanup Woman. The artist is WRIGHT, and this is an edited version, okay? So it's not like the original song, and the choreography is Lisa Loves Cinnamon. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction, I'll pin it at the end of this video. Also, you can check out Lisa Loves Cinnamon. She has an instructional also. And let's get to it. There you go, the Clean Up Woman. I'll pin the end of the video at the end if you're interested in learning the step-by-step instruction. Also, you can check out Lisa Loves Cinnamon. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next time.